This journey was never about me, nor about what I have accomplished alone. It has always been, and will always be. It's all about you.
Kasabay ng ik-116 na selebrasyon ng Baguio City Charter Anniversary, itong unang araw ng Setyembre, muling nagbigay si Mayor Benjamin Magalong ng State of the City Address, kung saan kanyang tinalakay ang mga natapos na proyekto at gayon din sa mga susunod na plano sa lungsod ng Baguio.
We continue to build on our vision of Baguio 2043, a livable, inclusive, and creative Baguio, guided by our 7-point agenda.
Sa State of the City Address na nagtagal ng 22 minuto, ibinahagi ni Mayor Benjamin Magalong ang magandang economic growth ng lungsod, kung saan nakapagtala ito ng 9% growth rate noong 2023. Sinundan ito ng mataas na employment rate noong 2024 na umabot sa 97.5%.
Our economy remains the fastest growing in the country and in the Cordillera with a 9% growth rate in 2023. Employment in the region remains strong at 97.5% in 2024, while registered enterprises increased by as much as 2.23%. Inflation eased on an average of 3.2% in 2024, and by June 2025, it further settled at 2.9%. Poverty incidence has also gone down significantly with only 0.5% or 530 families and 0.8 or 2,980 individuals recorded as poor in 2023. From June 2024 to May 2025, actual collections reached 2.73 billion, higher by 249 million compared to the previous year.
Binanggit din ang katatapos na voluntary local review o VLR na tumutukoy sa mga Sustainable Development Goals o SDGs na dapat tutukan ng Baguio, na isa katuparan nito sa pagtutulungan ng Baguio LGU at United Nations Development Program Philippines.
The VLR is a tool that helps us see clearly where we stand, where we need to improve, and where we put our investments so that no sector is left behind.
Pagdating sa pamamahala, kasalukuyan na ring ipinapatupad ang Performance Governance System o PGS sa lokal na pamahalaan. Ito ang susukat sa performance ng bawat opisina. Layon din itong ituon ng alignment ng mga programa base sa long-term goals ng lungsod.
We had just had a series of workshops last week with the Institute for Solidarity in Asia, where we measured our performance and aligned our programs with our long-term goals for the next 3 years.
Nagbigay din ang alkalde ng update sa mga infrastructure projects. Kabilang sa mga natapos na infrastruktura ang mga barangay hall ng Gabriela Silang at Irisan. Tapos na rin ang halfway home for rebel returnees, ang tennis court at ang parking area nito sa Athletic Bowl, at maging ang Bayan Park.
The following projects are ongoing. The Engineers Bill or Hill Barangay Hall at 72%, Bayan Park Multipurpose Hall at 76%, Atlas Quarters at 83%, and the Irisan Eco Park Phase 2 at 83%. Construction is ongoing for barangay halls in Pacdal, Tuntogan, and Lourdes Subdivision Extension.
Ibinida rin ni Mayor Magalong ang mga nakuhang parangal ng lungsod mula noong 2019. 61 ang regional awards, 81 naman sa national awards at 6 na international awards.
What we have achieved so far gives us reason to be proud, but it also reminds us that our work is far from finished.
Sa huli, nanawagan si Mayor Magalong sa mamamayan na mas maging mapagmatsyag lalo na sa usapin ng korupsyon. Anya, walang short-term solution sa pagsugpo nito at dapat sundin ang nararapat para sa kinabukasan ng bawat kabataan. Nico Gatchalian para sa PIO Baguio Balita.